Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 12th again, and subject is zoology. And our today's topic is biology and human welfare. That is our today's topic is classification of diseases. Classification of diseases. Yes, students, I already told you that what is health, what is disease, then what are the types of disease, then how diseases are being created. Then our today's topic is how we can classify the diseases. The diseases can be classified into two types or into two classes. That is the congenital diseases, and the second one is acquired diseases. Dear students, the congenital disease and the acquired diseases, these are the classification of a disease. What is congenital diseases? These are the abnormalities, or in other words, we can say that these are the disorders, and these diseases are present from the birth, at the time of the birth, or we can say that these are born diseases. These are inborn diseases. Sometimes we can also say that these are hereditary diseases that can be transferred from one generation to the next generation. Or in other, we can say that these are the diseases which starts from inborn, and that which starts from the birth. For example, albinism. This is a disease which is inborn disease. Hemophilia. This is the disease which is inborn disease. Sickle cell anemia. This is the inborn disease. Syndrome, that's Down syndrome. This is the chromosomal abnormality disorder. Klinefelter syndrome. Turner syndrome. These are the diseases which are from very birth, that is, which are inborn diseases, and these diseases can be transferred. From one generation, or in other words, we can say that these are the hereditary diseases. Then the second type is the most important type, that is acquired diseases. Diseases which occur after the birth. Acquired disease means diseases which occurs after the birth. After the birth, we call that these are acquired diseases. And these acquired diseases, it's of two types. One is communicable disease, and the second one is non-communicable disease. What is communicable disease and what is non-communicable disease? The first diseases are classified into two types, that is congenital disease and the acquired disease. Congenital diseases are inborn diseases, and acquired diseases are those diseases which occurs after the birth. And acquired diseases, there are two classified. These have been classified into two main types, that is the communicable disease and non-communicable diseases. Communicable disease, you know that communicable disease means which is separate from one person to another person, or transfer of diseases from one person to second person or another person. We can say that these are communicable diseases. And non-communicable diseases, they remain confined to a person, and they cannot be transferred from one person to another person. Then what are these communicable disease, and how these communicable disease can be transferred? These communicable diseases can be caused by pathogens, viruses, bacteria, fungus, etc. As you know that nowadays we are suffering in a crucial and critical disease, that is COVID-19, that's a coronavirus. It is also a communicable disease. Its transmission is there. It can be transferred from one person to another person. So those diseases which can be created by pathogens, which can be created by viruses, bacteria, fungi and algae, these are we call that these are the communicable disease. And secondly, non-communicable disease. There are 4 types of non-communicable disease. Number 1, organic. Organic, yani failure of any organ like heart, kidney. These diseases can remain confined to one person and they cannot be transferred from one person to another. That's organic disease. The second one is nutritive. For example, any excess or deficiency, for example, deficiency of iodine, deficiency of vitamins, deficiency of minerals, deficiency of carbohydrates, deficiency of essential nutrients, which are necessary for body for their balanced diet. If there is any excess or deficiency of anything, we can create a disease that we call the nutritive disease. Then, allergic disease. Allergic. This is also a non-communicable disease, allergic disease. If a person comes in contact with an allergic person, he may create a disease that is we call it allergic disease. And the last one is cancer. Cancer, you know that unlimited and uncontrolled growth of cells. When there is uncontrolled and multiplication of growth, unnecessary growth of cells, we create a disease. They create a disease that is called the cancer. These are the classification of disease, and inshallah it will be discussed tomorrow one by one.